and you already make change, and thank you for this. So now this is perfect to run the campaign.
Okay.
So my question is, first of all, we need to open the Google Ads account.
Okay.
So could you, I can help you. You can open Google Ads account by share your screen.
Open Google.
Google Ads account.
Google. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Google. Manage your Google account.
Is it possible you can join by computer?
Sure. How?
In your computer,
Yes.
here is Fiverr.
What?
In your computer, here is Fiverr.
No.
So I can send you link again. You can copy and paste in computer, so you can open the link from computer.
Okay, so email it. What is it?
I just forgot your name, Marin, right?
Marine.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, it's paid. Yeah.
Yeah, I paid it.
Okay, Marin, thank you. Okay, brother, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, I don't know what to do now. I think I'm done.